Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're excited. Today, what I'm going to be doing is unboxing the American Express Business Platinum credit card. So I did another video about the personal one. I just got the business one. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys exactly what's inside. So let's do it. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead here. All right. Okay. That's how it looks like. Oh wow, okay. Look, it's the same box here. So it doesn't even say American Express. The other one I had, it said AMEX on it for the personal one, but this one doesn't even have any like writing on it. It's just a gray box. It's actually very simple. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So what's really cool is like the box is very soft, so that's really cool. But yeah, I'm surprised how simple it has. Like there has no like ink or anything about the American Express. It's just a box that's gray. So not too fancy, but let's go ahead and open this up. So we're gonna tear this from the back. Oh. Okay, it's a bit hard. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, this thing is not easy. Let's try it this way. Ah, there you go. I got a new technique. All right. All right, I'm gonna open this up now. It has my name and address and stuff, so that's why I'm trying to cover it. But yeah, I'll show you guys how this looks like. Oh wow, yo, this is so nice. Look at that. Oh wow. Okay, here. Look what it says. Welcome to Business Platinum. It has my name. Oh wow. Oh, this is so nice. American Express Business Enterprise has my name, the name of my company, and then it has here the credit card info. But yeah, let me just show you guys. So it says welcome to Business Platinum over here on top, and then the card itself. I'm trying to hide as much info as possible, but this is how it looks like. It's not as close. This is how it looks like. Okay. Here, I'll face you guys so you guys can see this. Okay, so that's the card, and it has here an envelope. So let's open this up. And then is there anything underneath? Oh, they have some other stuff in as well. Okay, we'll look at that after. Let's look at the envelope first. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the side. All right, so let's see what's inside the envelope. You guys are probably not impressed with the way the envelope was opened, but that's fine. So it has here American Express terms and conditions. Okay, it's giving me instructions on oh, this is my card number. So yeah, I can't really show this on video, but yeah, this paper shows me your new American Express card is here, how to activate your card. And so it's giving me two options, either from the mobile or from the computer. Thank you for choosing American Express. Attached, you'll find your new or replacement cards. It's asking me to set my PIN, and then tap into a quick way to pay. Cool. Your card has contactless technology, which allows you to tap your card to make quick, convenient, secure payments. Okay, awesome. So let me put this on the side. Okay, let me just put this here. Okay, it has here now all the info, how much the initial credit limit is. So this one, the initial credit limit comes with $45,000 per month, which is amazing. And then it talks about the interest level. All due in full balance must be paid each month. Interest rate of 30% applies to each delinquent due in full charge. So any delinquent means if you don't make the payment. If you don't make the payment, they charge you 30%. Absolutely insane. That's huge. So you want to make sure that you're always paying in full so that you never get charged the interest. Okay, awesome. So yeah, it's a huge paper. Okay, that's one page. Here is the membership rewards, terms and conditions for that. Okay, not going to read that. The AMEX Bank of Canada card member agreement and other important information. It's really long, so we're not going to go through that. Okay. Important changes to insurance disclosure. Okay. Yeah, I should read this. Okay. The Business Platinum card from American Express, certificates and insurance. So it has an entire manual there, all these policies, so we're not going to read that. Let's get back to the card. Okay. Okay. So, actually, before we get to the card, I want to see what's underneath. So I'm gonna pull this up like this, and there's some stuff here on the bottom. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right. Oh, cool. Like a little sticky thing. Okay. Dear Business Platinum card member, your business has opened a whole new world for you. Your business has opened a whole new world for you. Now it's our turn to provide a world of special benefits, comprehensive coverage, and preferential access with the Business Platinum card from American Express. Each of these features are designed for businesses like yours, big enough to manage the many demands of your world, yet personal enough to take care of the smallest details along the way. Enclose any key benefit highlights the Business Platinum card and associates terms and conditions. Welcome to the Business Platinum. Discover why you won't want to do business without it. And then it has the president and CEO, Brett Money. Okay, cool. So here are instructions. It's telling me how to activate it. Activate your card today. Start enjoying everything Business Platinum has to offer. Get up to stay connected to your account, pay your bills, discover offers and more. Step 1, activate your card on the website, register online, and then step 3, download the Express app. Awesome. So we're going to do that in a bit, but let's see all the benefits that we're going to get with this card. Okay, cool. Okay. They get you like pictures here. Financial. So here, let's do it together. So financial. All right, so we have here business solutions, cash flow. So you can cash flow up maximum up to 55 interest-free days to pay in full, option to pay the balance over. Awesome. You can